my favorite song going round and round my head.
5 days on the freeway, riding shotgun with you.
Alright, here at my RCZ. I'm gonna change this gear knob, the original one, to the RCZ R1. You can have these in black and in the red edition here. Really heavy. I think it's something about just pull up in the gear knob and then it will come off. Let's find out. It's just this. I'm gonna have to take off the top of it, and I don't know if I should pull this or turn it. Let's try. Oh shit.
Denied.
I'm really using a lot of force. Nothing happens. What the fuck? Alright, it is something to do with holding on to this. Somebody told me that it is easier when it's in the 6th gear. I don't know about that. Alright, it was easy. So here it is. Here it is. The original round thing. And here, much heavier, are the RCZ R's. And it's a T shape here. And it fits. Nej, jeg kører ikke bil. Jeg skal bare lige skifte. That's it. Easy.
Oh yeah.
Good. That's it. It's okay. Nice result. And with the change of the gear knob, it's not that tall as before. It's much smaller. And it really is good shape in the hand.
Denied.
But I might think that it would be a little hot and cold at the winter and hot at the summer, because it's all metal. But it really gives a good feeling when you drive with this instead of the round one, the original one. So do this, it's easy.
5 days on the freeway, riding shotgun with you.